What are you thinking, son?
Nothing important, Dad. Was just thinking about good old days. Why are you not letting me go outside from last days?
Jack, we are in quarantine. Government has ordered us to stay at home.
Dad, what is quarantine and why we are in it?
Son, quarantine is a strict isolation imposed to prevent the spread of disease. We are in quarantine to help our doctors, police and other departments and to prove ourselves responsible citizen.
But I'm very bored. I want to go to school and play with my friends. For how long it will be? Are we stuck for whole our lives?
No, my son, if we'll follow instructions given by government it will be controlled soon.
But for how much time?
My son, hope for the best. Don't lose hope. Our health professionals are our hope.
Okay, Dad, I got your point. I think now I should think about some indoor activities.
I think you should go and see your pet.
Okay, Dad.
If you are alive, there is hope for a better day and something good to happen. If there is nothing good left in the destiny of a person, he or she will die.
Mike, could you help me with a thing here?
Mom, I'm playing a video game. I can't come.
Mike, tell me why you keep playing video games all the time. Why don't you find some good activity?
I don't know. I just don't find anything interesting anymore. I see the news. I can't go outside. I'm afraid. This game passes my time well. So, it seems I do not have any other option.
Come with me. I'll tell you something. In 1665, Cambridge University closed because of plague. Isaac Newton quarantined himself at his childhood home. It was the most productive time for him and he discovered the calculus and laws of motion. This is an example for you to understand that these holidays are not meant to be wasted in watching movies and playing video games. Rather, it is a road for you to self-discovery. Leisure is time to do something useful. You should learn the skills which will help you once this all gets end. People out there, who are suffering due to this pandemic, need our help. We should find ways to help them. Remember, we need to fight this virus and depression. It does nothing other than causing your immune system to go down. A lot has been pushed aside, and now with this virus, it is coming to the forefront of our minds that we need to care for each other.
You are right, Mom. Instead of wasting this time, I should focus on improving myself. I have the idea that post-corona world will be a different one, but rather than be afraid of, I will prepare myself for that.
That's really good.
Hey friends, I'm Mike. I was wasting my time until now, but today, I have learned the very important lesson, and I hope that you have understood that too. Before leaving, I want you people to understand one more thing, that prevention is the key in this difficult time of virus. So stay home and stay safe. Wash your hands and always pray to the Lord. Bye.
Allah Almighty will help us.